In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or create a permanent signature and logo to your email in Gmail. This is a great way to personalize your communications and ensure your emails stand out professionally. So let's dive right in. First, you need to open Gmail. Simply go to your preferred web browser, navigate to the Gmail homepage, and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a gear icon, also known as the settings icon. Click on that gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where we'll be doing a bit of work today. Now that you're in the settings, make sure you're on the General tab. This is typically the default tab when you open the settings, but if not, it's the first tab on the left. Scroll down until you find the section titled Signature. This is where we'll create your personalized signature. Once you find it, you'll notice an option to Create New. Click on this button. A small window will pop up asking you to name your signature. You can name it something easy to remember, like Personal if it's for personal use, or Work if it's intended for professional emails. Naming it appropriately will help you organize multiple signatures if you decide to create more in the future. Next, we'll start creating the actual content of your signature. In the text box provided, type your name, job title, contact information, or anything else you'd like to include. This is also where you can get a little creative. Add images, like your company logo, or embed links to your social media profiles. Feeling fun? Add emojis to give it a bit of personality. Make sure to use the formatting tools available to ensure your signature looks clean and professional. Once your signature is ready, it's time to assign where you want it to appear. Beneath the signature box, you'll have options to apply the signature to new emails and replies, forwards. You can choose to apply it to either or both depending on your preference. To finalize everything, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes. This step is crucial because it ensures all the hard work you've put into creating your signature is reflected in your emails. And there you have it. Your Gmail signature is now set up and will automatically appear in your outgoing emails.